Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery with a 14 by 14 inch canvas and some Meeden black paint. My edges are covered. My OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula is going to come out in a minute. I am going to use a little Payne's gray and a little navy blue from Anita's. And maybe some of that at the top also. And just start and what I want to do is make some northern lights. I'm not sure how that's going to go, but I'm going to start where I'm at. That was color shifting turquoise from Folk Art, color shifting blue from Folk Art, and our Arteza pastel. Green. That was a little color shifting purple flash from Folk Art also. And I was definitely about to contemplate using some dampened paper towels and some Aussie Floetrol with Amsterdam white in it. But it looks like I need a little more. Why don't I try this once this way? That didn't work out too badly, I guess. I've got some purple to use up, so I'll go from the other direction. And that's pretty cool. I'm liking this a lot. Put down some more Amsterdam white. I'm going to just keep right on using the same paper towel. Give it a little waggle, make it look organic. I'm going to use the purple again. And then all I have to do is work on my bottom half. Put my fingernail right there. So that's pretty cool. I'm liking that a lot. You do want a little bit more purple right there. And that will work for me. Hopefully, I can do something cool with the bottom half. That is some Decort Americana copper. I'm going to use some more of this Anita's Navy in the bottom as a filler. Probably going to put some black in there too. This is Payne's Gray, which is Master's Touch. Cool. I'm thinking I'm going to risk a little bit of white. Maybe some of this pink. Just because I want to see what happens. And then I'm interested in maybe giving myself the opportunity to use a little bit of Australian Floetrol. I can't believe I thought I was going to need all those paper towels. I do want some white though. And maybe a new spatula, since I put the other one right in the bucket. That's just Anita's white metallic. I wanted to put some trees in there, but I'm not sure I need them. I want to put some black in there too. I really didn't do that, did I? Whoops, that's a lot of black. You know what I'm missing? I'm missing my favorite dioxazine purple. Scrape that off. Grab a tool. I'm going to use the white Amsterdam white with Aussie Floetrol in it. Go back and get another dose. Thinking one of these paintings might wind up being my Christmas card, so I wish the white would stay sometimes instead of just making cells. Now if I want to do something else, like add trees, I need a different kind of white, and I'm thinking maybe the Meeden white. And I just got to try this. I need a sharp skewer, or maybe a dull end of the skewer. For some trees. Looks like I can easily make that fall down. But just give the impression of trees. And I could probably put a little white in there tomorrow to make it seem like more of an impression of trees. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead, grab one of my little containers. Look at my time. No, I have 7 minutes left. I think I like it better putting the skewer into the paint and then just dragging the drip up. Gently. And I'm going to put a little bit of white. No, am I? I'm going to put a little bit of purple. Right along the edge of my tree area. And I know the purple and the black usually make something really nice. Since I've got turquoise in my sky right there, thinking I might like to put a little bit right there along the edge. I've got a bloom looking thing over there, and I'm thinking what I ought to do is grab another paper towel and yes, I destroyed it, but that's okay because that's the effect I'm going for. Is more organic. I'm afraid to do it anywhere else. I have a little tool around here somewhere. Maybe the basting brush will help. I think so. Oh, just messed with my trees. That's okay. I think they'll be alright. Got some really cool cells. That's my mysterious. I like my mysterious. I wish I could. My friend from Canada should come down as soon as she can. Just put a little texture in the foreground. I think I'm pretty well done. I should tell you guys stuff. Like, I do sell my artwork, and should you want to purchase something, finding my email address is a key ingredient in that process. It is directly underneath the video. I think I'm going to use whatever I've got left for white. Put as many trees in as I can get. Because they're obviously snow covered, you know. It is what it is, and it was fun to do. And I don't know that I'm done with playing with the colors or the basting brush. Because I like leading the colors up into the sky. I do have a little bit of an issue with that black there, though. So let me just grab, well, let me try it with a basting brush first. Maybe I don't need to do anything else. You know what? I think that's going to work. Alright, I love you guys. Thanks for inspiring me. You inspire the heck out of me. Thanks for the donations that help keep me painting. Without you, I would not be making tutorials at YouTube, believe me. I've got a desire to add more colors down at the bottom. And I actually have a paper towel that's wet. I might pop a few cells too. All right. I don't know if it's the best one I've ever done, but it was fun to do. Thank you guys for joining me. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, saying please check out, I have more than 2,200 videos available to you on playlists, all playlists, creative playlists, and you can find them by going to my YouTube channel and looking for playlists, all playlists, creative playlists. Alternatively, if you want to look at the link tree, you'll find Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, Instagram, I said that twice. My Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, Appreciation Group. Oh, that's pretty cool from up here. I want to turn the light out so you can see it better. I don't know, it might be my imagination that works better. Please give me a thumbs up if you wouldn't mind. I'm going to turn up the light anyway, just to see if you can see. It doesn't look too bad. Thank you for the donations. You can find the PayPal icon to make a donation on the bottom right hand corner of my YouTube channel banner, or a link on the link tree. And if you do make a donation to help keep me painting, and thank you very much to those of you who do, you'll be automatically invited to get in the monthly drawing. You can see the prizes at the beginning of the exhibition videos on the end screen in the last 20 seconds of this video, and that will be at the beginning of the month. I have 2 books. They're on my Amazon link, Volume 1 and 2, Because I Can, and Unlimited Possibilities. And they are the first and the second 100 videos I created for YouTube, and all of the instructions and all of the supplies. And that's pretty interesting. On my link tree, you're going to find, actually under my link tree, you're going to find my email address, easpb, and the word gallery spelled out, at gmail.com. You can contact me if you're interested in information about taking a lesson. You can contact me if you're interested in making a purchase of an artwork, which would make my day, or more. My paint pouring recipe is underneath Show More, underneath the video. I do torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint, and I will do that in a minute. My paint pouring recipe includes my cell activator recipe also, just in case you're looking for that. My community board will show you tomorrow's video more often than not. That's also found by going to my YouTube channel. Pardon me, my glasses are dirty. I love you guys. Check out the spring clothing below the video if you wouldn't mind. And my favorite 2 things on the link tree are Le Gallerist, clothing made in Montreal, investment quality, and kimonos and all over prints. And my new Society 6 store, which has got incredible merchandise covered in my most favorite, beautiful, gorgeous, stunning artworks. Anyway, I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Thanks for inspiring me. I hope to see you soon. Appreciate the comments, keeping my morale boosted. You guys take care of each other. Bye for now. Priscilla out. Wow. End of the day.